Hey, you guys, I am so excited. Oh my God. Shout out to John Kohler. He taught me and showed me about the Sana Supreme 727, Sana 727 Supreme juicer, okay? I'm about to juice the heck out of some celery and other stuff. I had a haram, okay, but it kind of went south on me. All right. So I'm so excited to have this juicer, and I'm going to show you guys. How do I do this? Oh, it's the box. This is it. I'm going to open it, and let's get down to business. All right. So I want to change my life, change my lifestyle, lose some weight. It's time. It's time. And now I got something that can help me do that. I'm gonna pull it out and let you guys see along with me this box that I'm opening here. Okay. Excuse my videography skills. I'm not gonna say I'm the best. Oh my God, check this out. Check this out, you guys. Check out this box. Oh, God. So you can see. Here, my box. Anyway, I just think I'm gonna try to insert a picture of it, but it's a really nice box. Okay, you guys, so I'm now opening my box for the Sana 727 Supreme. I'm so excited. Let's see here. Seems to be packaged really well. Nice case that it's in. They got, little instructions. Oh, wow. Okay. More stuff. Looks like a recipe book. A recipe book, guys. Recipe book. It's packaged really well. Oh, okay. Has a little bit of weight to it. But I love the way this is packaged. None is getting damaged with the Sana 727 Supreme. None is getting damaged here, okay? You got it packaged really well, guys. This is where the magic is going to happen, okay? And they got the different parts that go to it. Another, I don't know the right name for that. I think it's called a sieve, but I may be wrong. Okay, we got more stuff here. Oh my goodness. The actual machine. The one, the only. The Life Rejuvenator. The Sana Supreme. Ooh-wee. And it's red. I like red. I thought red would be cool. I think John Kohler was showing off the black one. I think it also comes in black. Okay. See this a little better, and I'll take pictures too and try to insert. You can see, boom, boom, boom. This is nice. This is nice. It's got some weight to it. So it's not just gonna fly off the counter. And everything is packaged really nicely, guys. You shouldn't have any problem with anything breaking during shipping because they got everything cardboarded up. Then on top of cardboard, they got the plastic. And this is the receptacle that the pulp goes into. And not only that, also the receptacle for the juice. What the juice will go into. That's nice. Glass. I think that's cool. Clean up here in a minute. And there's at least one more box inside the box here. See if I can pull that out. For you guys to see what we got here. Okay. Ta-da! The cord. We need the cord, right? We got the cord. We got the receptacles. We got the different parts that go in that the juice is going to filter through. One, I believe you can make nut butters with. That might be this one. I got to read up, but... And it's on like a chicken bone. Okay, guys. This is the little tamper. And it has a little hook on the end. So you can hook it on top of here. Okay. And it's got a scrub brush. Every juicer needs a scrub brush, trust me. And I can't wait to get into this and really check out, you know, the cookbook or recipe book they got with it. Isn't that beautiful? That's such a pretty presentation, right? And the instruction manual. Okay, guys, so that is the unboxing of the Sana 727 Supreme. I'm also going to do videos with me making juice in it, and I hope you stick along. Take care. Oh, if you like my channel and want to see more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.